So here we're going to tackle about vector, going to differentiate vector and scalar quantities, perform addition of vectors, rewrite a vector in component form, calculate the directions and magnitude of vectors. A quantity that has both size or magnitude and direction. Wind, boat or aircraft travel, forces in physics. Vector are pairs of a direction and a magnitude. We usually represent a vector with an arrow. The direction of the arrow is the direction of the vector. The length is the magnitude. Commutative, A plus B is equal to B plus A. Associative, open parenthesis, A plus B, close parenthesis, plus C is equal to A plus B plus C. Vector addition by component method. A single vector may be broken down on resolves into two components. These components are called the x-axis component, horizontal component, and y-axis component or vertical component of the given factor. The x component is the projection on the x-axis and y component is the y-axis. Example number 1. Given distance distance is equal to 5 kilometers south. Find dx and dy. Solution. Dx is equal to 0 because there is no movement in the east to west directions. Dy is equal to negative 5 kilometer because the south direction in the rectangular coordinate system lies along the negative y-axis. Sample 2. Limuel joins the PRC Fundraise 2014. He started to run by 8.25 meters to the east, then 7.2 meters to the north. He continued running for a few more minutes, 15.1 meters, towards the direction at 25 degrees of east. A. How far is Limuel from his original position? B. What's Limuel angle of inclining from the horizontal? The solution is A. In A, to solve the total displacement of Limuel, first, we list down all his displacement vectors, then simply add these vectors together. We then calculate the magnitude of the total displacement to find out how far he is from his original position. At first, Limuel moves towards the positive direction of the y-axis to the east, then towards the positive direction of the y-axis to the north. Thus, the corresponding vectors are vector R1 is equal to 8.25 meter. Vector 2 R2 is equal to 7.2 meter. Then Limuel moved at an angle of 25 degrees from the horizontal, south of east. That's it. That is, Limuel moved toward the negative direction to the y-axis and the positive direction x-axis at 25 degrees below the horizontal. The vector r, number 3, is equal to 15.1 meter cos 25 degree minus 15.1 meter sin times sin 25 degree. The total displacements r vector is the sum of the r1 vector of r1, vector of r2, and vector of r3. Vector is equal to vector r1 plus r2 plus r3. Vector r is equal to 8.25 meter plus 15.1 meter times cos 25 degree plus 7.2 meter minus 15.1 meter times sin 25 degree. And the magnitude vector r is the distance of Limwell from his original position. Vector is equal to square root of 8.25 meter plus 15.1 meter times cos 25 degree square root plus 7.2 meter minus 15.1 meter sin 25 degree squared equal to 21.95 meter or 22 meter. For letter B, Limell's angle of inclination is calculated similar to that of example. However, nothing that Limwell finds motion is 25 degrees south of east. Then his angle of inclination is 25 degree clockwise from the position of x-axis. Let's find out if you've learned something.